Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
tell me two importance of this month, November.
This month is very important for me because in this November exam festival most different in studies, and second in this time uh, wedding time.
Wedding.
Yes, sir.
Karan, tell me about yourself.
My name is Karan Kumar. I belong to Begusarai itself, and my hobby is playing cricket.
Show me the documents.
Yes.
And my father's name is Krishna Mohan Rajak, and he is a farmer, and my mother is a home wife.
Okay. So, are you enjoying your study, Karan?
Yes,
Are you enjoying your study?
yes,
Not only about English, but about your other subjects also, science, physics. Are you enjoying your subjects?
my subject is science and math, main math, and optional.
I'm not asking about your subject combination. I'm asking that are you enjoying your study?
Yes, sir.
How you can enjoy?
Firstly, I read in book and revise on this class and on then class, and I am go to home and I am revise.
Okay, Anya. So, Sanjay, are you nervous?
No, sir.
No, excellent. Sanjay, you tell me why interview is important.
Interview is very important every student because on every sector for job opportunity, because no no interview, so I don't get the job.
That means with knowledge, skill is also important.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So, do you think the status of students are quite good to get employment? Do you think so?
Yes, sir.
Present days education is so different in many terms.
Yes.
Because students are only depends on your
Study
books,
books and study.
but they don't have a skill. So, is there any solution or is there any strategy from your side so that students can cultivate knowledge with skills?
Knowledge and skills both are important, and every sector want to heavy skills and education, so very important.
Okay. Okay, Karan. Karan, your name is Karna, not Karan,
Yes,
which I have seen in documents.
yes,
And Karn is related to the episode of Mahabharata,
yes,
if you know correctly. And Karn was your elder brother of Yudhishthira.
Yeah.
You know about that story?
some
Some
story.
narrate that story.
I know that Yudhishthir's younger brother is Karna. Karna is very
Karn is an elder brother, not a younger brother.
sorry, sir. And he is given fully man.
Okay, anyway, over to you.
Yes,
Nivis.
I have a question for you. Tell me the experience which you learn in this time from you around your society in this in present time where you live, and also and past where you were live in the village, from this society and that society. Difference it.
Firstly, in present time I live that is a very useful society because not other noise, and in this society every student is very important. In my village is any types of noise, just like DJ song and any and in this present time live in home, and I study for very good study in home.
Yes. You completed your answers? Yeah. Which class do you read in this time?
Part 1,
Part 1. You completed
12th class.
Are you aware from the government's work and you interested in politics?
No,
Do
sir.
you- No interested.
No, sir.
Do you know about the present government's
Yes, sir.
work somehow?
Yes, sir.
And tell me the 5 policies of the government normally, generally which highly excessive and highlighted in present 5 to 6 years ago.
First policy is most important our government Notbandi and
Yeah.
Notbandi is not your
Demonetization.
program or policy.
Yes.
It was your executive step. You could have said that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
yes,
You could have said Pradhan Mantri Kausal Vikas Yojana.
yes, sir. Yojana, Ujjwala Yojana and
Correct.
and Swachh Bharat Yojana
Swachh Bharat Mission. Abhiyan or you can
Mission.
say.
and I don't understand.
Yes. Do you agree? Do you agree and satisfy the presence of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in Indian society is so important or not?
Yes, sir. In most Indian society most important this step, and in this time everywhere the dust and kachara in the field of dirty. So important Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Yes. Yeah, you know about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is highly successful in
Yes,
this
sir.
time, and also second version is also coming in the society from the government. Then how do you do you have any perspective? Do you have any idea that first Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, is different from the second Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Do you have any other idea which has not present in the first round of this scheme, which has present in second round? Other idea? Why second round is coming? Because first round was so highlighted.
Because first program not successfully and every state and everywhere not successfully first round, and second round is more important.
No,
First round.
this is not a correct answer. But however you tried. First step was to change the behavior of people.
Yes,
That you should not do open defecation. Correct. And the second step, which he has pointed out, that yes, we are going to implement ODF++. That means solid and waste management. Waste materials should be discharged properly, otherwise it will pollute your drainage system. That's why we are bringing the second phase of Swachh Bharat Mission. Coming to you, Karan. Karan, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
So you tell me the current captain of Indian cricket team in test match.
Yes. I want to explain in present time is test match, and
Who is captain?
who is captain? Captain is Rohit Sharma.
No,
Test cricket.
Sorry.
Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane is the captain of test cricket. I am not asking about your T20 or ODI.
Yes.
That means you have only interest in your limited sense. You have not interest in a global
because
sense.
I'm not cricket. See,
So tell me about your schedule of playing cricket.
firstly, two teams, one and B, and umpire is
Every time you go and play cricket,
yes.
you should tell me about your schedule. Yes.
My schedule is फिलहाल first 6 time and
6 time a day.
no sir 4 to 6
Okay, 4 to 6.
p.m.
4 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Yes.
And what about your coachings? Every day you go and play cricket.
No, sir. Sunday.
Only Sunday.
Yes.
Yes. That needs to be mentioned correctly, no? Ki Sunday is the schedule
Yes.
where I play cricket with my friends. Okay, Karan. Karan, you tell me, what is your hobby? Same question to you also.
So my name is Sanjay.
No, I'm not asking about your introduction. Hobby. Hobby means where you have a lot of interest.
Sir, you asked me Karan, but
Oh, sorry,
my name
sorry.
is Sanjay.
Oh, Sanjay. Okay, fine. My mistake. So,
My hobby is reading only, not interested book.
which books you read most? Which subject?
Book just like magazine.
Magazine. Yojana, Kurukshetra, or sports magazine, or international news?
International news.
International. Tell me about the name of the newspaper, magazine.
In this magazine, every other and small topics, not one.
Tell me about the name, because you are reading magazine, no? Magazine and newspaper is so different in many sense.
Yes,
Tell me about the name of your magazine,
I don't say, but reading
but you read.
Yes.
just
But
like
you should
page
be-
by page.
You should aware of the name of
Just
the
like
magazine.
in this work, so
What is a recent article which you have read in your magazine?
yes, recent magazine in FATF and
What is the full form of FATF?
fund
Financial Action
financial
Task
action
Force.
task. In this time, Turkey and Pakistan blacklist.
Blacklisted. No.
No, grey list.
In the
Grey
grey
list.
Iran and North Korea are in blacklist.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. That means you
I
have
confuse news channel and magazine, so
Why
different
why Pakistan is in grey list?
grey list of economic sector is lose Pakistan.
It is a result of being placed under your grey list.
Yes.
It is because of the terrorist activities.
Yes, sir.
Because Pakistan is not coming with the obligation
Obligation.
that it is going to reduce the terrorist funding or channels.
Funding.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's why Pakistan is being in scanner.
Everything is related to Pakistan POK area.
Correct.
So other countries banned on Pakistan.
Okay, Karan. So he has rightly pointed out the current news that is related to Pakistan. So you know about Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
So how you view Kashmir being a part of India? Because Kashmir is an integral part of our country, correct?
Yes.
A tut ang. It is an integral part of our country. And Modi ji 2 years back rebuilt Article 370 also, which you know. So how you view Jammu and Kashmir as a part of India?
According to you, Jammu Kashmir and he is very beautiful looking for India part, and he is also looking for lions lion's mouth, and he is and these are not Jammu Kashmir. Without Jammu Kashmir is not looking for this. India is not beautiful, and also that he is a very cool place overall India. And
Okay, fine. Okay, Nitish, ask last question to them.
Yes. You mentioned lion's mouth.
yes,
Why it is known as lion's mouth? Why Kashmir is known as lion's mouth? Do you have any ideas about it? No ideas. Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
idea?
In this map, we can see that just like this is a map, our Indian map. Our Indian map. In this map, lion's size. So
It's a geographical region.
yes, sir. Geographical
we can
region.
say. Yeah, because it is diverted, just like lions. It is seen as a lion's
See, yes.
mouth.
Okay, Karan, conclude the interview. How is your interview?
firstly I learned about how to interview, and what about question doing ask me, and I how to answer.
Are you satisfied with your performance in this interview?
Yes.
Something else? Do you want to speak more?
Sorry.
Do you want to speak further? और बोलना चाहते हो?
Yes.
Carry on.
And my firstly interview in my life, and my experience is very good in this interview, and
Okay, over to you, Sanjay.
In this time, important time, because my best opportunity for me, because in this exam festival, very important, because my first attend interview, presentation and anchoring, so important, and in this time I understanding manage time is most important, because I have no time in this time.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, you can go. And call to Pintu.